Gunfire erupts in one Oakland neighborhood, forcing residents to take cover in their homes tonight. Frustration and fear.
My son was murdered last year in Oakland, May 27th. And my nephew was murdered. My brother was murdered. And I have a lot of family members that was murdered right here in Oakland. And this is what we need, peace. And black people need to learn to come together like this.
We are That's right, that's
Image
right.
is everything. Oh my God, look how many.
We didn't think we had nobody out here that'll fight for us up out here, man.
Brought me up from a lower stage. Brought me up from a lower stage.
Holy nations what I call holy black nations what I call this right here. Woo! You don't stand up for something, you don't stand for nothing. Everybody think they're better than us, but we the best people ever. You know what I'm saying?
Because we don't see a lot of black people together like this, and a lot of us keep dying. So this is actually good.
We got this. Black and brown, the people of color, we got to unite. We go, I've been seeing where my brothers at, where my brothers. I don't be seeing no black people. They here. You guys are here. You look good and you're wearing it well.